Oh, ladies and gentlemen, I'm back, and I'm not recording on my standard setup because why not? I didn't really feel like it. And I'm also recovering from COVID-19. It got me again, and it's been a struggle. I'll just say that it's been a struggle, even though I'm like boosted, but whatever. Yeah, this video I wanted to discuss my favorite sort of smartphone for 2022 wrapping up this year. I know this video is going to come out in 2023, but I just thought I'd talk about my favorite smartphone in 2022. And it's going to be honestly a surprise for you guys based on the actions I've taken this year. So I reviewed a couple different smartphones this year. I actually had a bunch of smartphones in hand at once. I actually had three at once, which I was using. And that was Galaxy S21, the Google Pixel 6, and then the iPhone 13, which I'm currently rocking right here. And so you're probably wondering, what is my actual top pick for my favorite smartphone this year? And honestly, it's the Galaxy 21. And you're probably waiting for me to bring it up in this video and stuff, but I don't actually have it anymore. I actually sold it just because I didn't want to keep a bunch of smartphones in my house that I don't use anymore. I thought it was a waste of space, and I thought I'd get some sort of money back for the device I paid for, a year and a half ago or something like that. But I loved the device to pieces, and it's unfortunate the reason it had to go, which is mostly performance issues and software updates. Not really improving the overall experience, and battery life was a big part of that as well. But that's honestly my top pick for this that's honestly my top pick for 2022 smartphone of the year. Was Galaxy S21, not the S22, but it's because it did everything really well, and I think the thing it did best was the display quality. It had a Super AMOLED display. I think it was 6.2 inches and 1080p resolution, and also 120 hertz. So the overall experience using the phone was insane, and great speaker quality. So you pair great audio quality with great a great screen. It makes for amazing video consumption and a media device. Not to mention, it also had amazing cameras, triple camera setup. It was just it had literally everything, and it's just so unfortunate that battery health degraded over time, and then also performance was slacking. It's the CPU is just not powerful enough to power that 120 hertz display constantly, and it's sad. But recent Androids have kind of fixed that issue with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chip. It really optimized performance. It's optimized battery life, and it's just sad because I think Samsung's an amazing company. Will I ever be switching back to Samsung? I'm waiting. I'm waiting right now. I'm waiting for Samsung to release a really solid phone. I intentionally did not upgrade to the S22. I wanted to buy that phone. I wanted to review it. However, I thought it wasn't necessary because it was such a marginal upgrade over the S21. There was actually downgrades in some areas. It was a smaller device, which was nice. So it was more compact, easy to hold in the hand. And the thing that really deterred me from it was the battery life. The S21 battery life was okay. It's good at first, but then it degraded. But then I heard that the Galaxy S22 battery life was even. Well, the battery itself was smaller, and then the battery life was just atrocious, and it just would not last a day. So now I'm using an iPhone because the battery life on this is really good, and the performance is really good on this, and this does everything I need it to do right now. But I'm waiting to go back to Android because I like the overall Android experience more than iPhone. I'll say that right now. But we have a couple updates. We have a couple updates for recent times or in the near future. I'm getting a Google Pixel 6a, getting a Google Pixel 7, and I know for a fact, a lot of my viewers love Android. I can tell a lot of my viewers love Android because I made so many S21 videos at the start of this channel, and you want to see more Android content, and I don't have an Android phone right now, but I'm going to be picking up those two Pixel devices because I know for a fact, based on research and analytics, a lot of the viewers on this channel actually search for Pixel devices and Samsung devices, and I haven't been making videos about them, and I probably should because that's kind of what my audience likes, and I liked making those videos, so I'm kind of rediscovering my own niche, sort of. Or that's the best way I can really put it. But for 2022, it was a good year, and 2023, hoping to grow this channel even more. And my main goal for this channel has always been hitting 1,000 subs. I had a recent view bot going on my channel. I don't know if anyone noticed that, but there was one video being promoted by some sketchy website, and it was sending bots over to my channel, subscribing, basically giving me thousands of views on one of my videos. I had to take that video down just because honestly, those are all bot views. No one liked that video, no one commented, so I knew it was bots, and they were subscribing to my channel, and then YouTube was removing them because it could tell they were bots, and I never really knew my actual sub count because it kept changing every single day. I'd gain like 100 subs in one day and then lose them all the next day. It was crazy. But yeah, 2023 is on its way. Want to hit 1,000 subs. Want to do some more brand deals this year. I think that was my goal for 2022. Didn't end up happening, even though I could have made it happen, but I didn't. I think it's because it wasn't the right company that contacted me, and I was like, I'm not working in this company. But I have a bunch of like cool stuff coming out, and I have some a lot of video ideas coming out. Trying to upgrade my setup a little more, make it more streamlined, and hopefully get some better lighting on my desk because my current lighting setup is not very good. Look at this. I got this like really glaring light in the background, which honestly, I don't know why. I should change that to like dimmer and then like a different color. It'd be a sick background. Like if it was green, that'd be sick. But yeah, I need another like desk lamp to light the side of my face because this one's like really bright. So this one's overexposed and underexposed. It's just a mess. But hopefully you like the microphone quality. I'm using this one. So the Corsair HS65 headset. If you want to get started with YouTube and you want like a sort of like, you don't want to like worry about like external audio, you just want to record everything on a headset like this, I'd recommend this one. Has like one of the best microphones on any gaming headset there is. And it's also like not really like a gamer looking headset, which is cool. It looks more like just a pair of headphones, which I like. I'm currently also recording this on my Logitech StreamCam on my PC. I'm not recording this on my Lumix G7, so you can probably tell the quality here is not that great, but I can up the quality here if I have better lighting in my room, which I'm working on. So yeah, some of my goals are 1,000 subs and do some brand deals and just like gain a better, or like grow a better community, niche down a little, find what my viewers like more, and then like sort of just like once I find that like niche, like once I find like what videos are working, I just want to like go in that direction, like and that sort of thing. So yeah, looking forward to that. And then I'm really looking forward to the smartphones that are coming out in 2023. So with that, I'm gonna leave this video. I'm gonna end it, and yeah, thank you so much for everyone watching these videos in 2022. I know I took a hiatus this year, but I'm back and I'm doing my 50-day YouTube challenge still and sort of sticking with it. Little hiccups here and there, but I'm sticking with it. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, ladies and gentlemen. I'll see you guys on the next video from Scott Tyler. Peace out, everyone. Road to 1,000 subscribers. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching another video on my channel. If you're interested, click over here to subscribe to the channel and click over here for another amazing tech video review / tutorial. And yeah, thanks so much for checking out the channel. Appreciate all you guys. See you in the next video.